Okay, so I just want to hop right into this video. I don't want to be talking throughout the video, but I did want to show you guys the mistake that I made when coloring this wig. So using the Kiss Express, I see other YouTubers use that and their colors come out vibrant, but for some reason, this ain't it, sis. Like, don't even waste your time using this color. I did show you guys a mistake in the video, and I'm also going to show you guys what color I did use to end up making the color that I wanted, which was a fiery red. Just go ahead and use a door. Don't even bother with the kiss shit. I mean, I see the other videos too. Shit don't work. So I'm gonna stop talking. Y'all gonna see it, and yeah. As you can see, the color is not that vibrant. I left this in for 3 hours and it still didn't come out as bright as I wanted. And y'all, it was an epic fail. Like, look at this. It looked like I still seen some blonde pieces. Like, it was horrible. But anyways, I just wanted to touch up my roots because when this wig was blonde, I did do brown roots. So now that it's red, I want to go ahead and touch it up with the black. So I did go back in with the Adore Truly Red, and I left it in for about 15 to 20 minutes. And let me tell y'all, boom, that's the color that I wanted. You know what I'm saying? So I'm telling y'all, don't even waste your time with that kiss shit. I know you see other YouTubers do it, but don't even waste your time nor money, sis. Like, just get the Adore. There's one thing I just want to say. I know hot combs was like, you know, out of style or whatnot, but let me tell y'all, my closure has never looked so flat a day in my life before this fucking hot comb. Because I used to just, you know, press the wand against it or whatnot to lay it flat, but this hot comb got it flat, you know, without me even having to lay it down with my scarf. So y'all should really invest in it. I got mine from Walmart for like 18 bucks. Yeah, about $18. Works magic. Y'all see that? Flat. And this hair jewelry that I got it from my local beauty supply store for $1.99. So just check out your local beauty supply store to see if they have some.